Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a cheesecake in the Instant Pot. First, let's start with the crust. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and stir together. You're going to need a 7-inch springform pan and add the crumbs in. Then using a measuring cup or anything that's flat, you want to press the crumbs in the bottom and sides of the pan. Then place in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's start on the filling. In a large mixing bowl, I have 16 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to add in half a cup of sugar, and using a handheld mixer, I'm going to beat together until smooth. Then add in 2 eggs and mix just until combined, making sure to not overmix. Now add in a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a 1/4 cup of sour cream and mix just until combined. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Lastly, you're going to stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then pour the cheesecake batter over the prepared crust. You want to place the rack in your Instant Pot. Then pour in 1½ cups of water and carefully place the pan on the rack. Then close the lid and set the pressure to high and the time to 30 minutes. Once the timer is up, do not release pressure. You want to release naturally. Mine took about 20 to 30 minutes. You will know when it's done when the valve drops. Then carefully open the lid. Using a paper towel, gently blot the surface of the cheesecake from any built-up condensation. Take the cheesecake out and let cool to room temperature. And then place in the fridge to chill overnight or at least for 4 hours. Now this cheesecake is delicious as is, but we love topping it with some cherry pie filling. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!